thought that long ago, so very far away, a little child would be born and in a manger lay. And who'd have thought this little child was born the King of Kings, the son of Jesse, a carpenter, from whom the angels sing. And who'd have thought that as he grew and with other children played, he'd a child who laughed and sang would die for them someday. And who'd have thought this little child could make the blind man see, feed the hungry, make rich the poor, and set the sinner free? And who have thought this little child was whom the prophets said would take away the sins of man and rise up from today? And I believe, and I will always see this little child. He's the King. Oh, I believe, and I will always see this little child. He's the King of Kings. Years have come and gone, but this world remains the same. Empires have been built and fallen. The only time has made a change. Nation against nation, brother against brother, when so filled with hatred, killing one another, and nowhere to have is something.
Yes, Lord, hallelujah,
And
hallelujah.
murder is torn,
Hallelujah,
hating
hallelujah.
over disarmament, killing children for living, and for so much to interact to justify the sin. And every nation it had fallen down within. And in the midst of this darkness, this hope lighted burn. This little child, the King of Kings, someday will return. Oh, I believe, and I will always this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is the King of Kings. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. and I will always sing this little child. King, oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is my King, oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is the King of Kings. He is the King of Kings.
Maminamahal. Tapos sa ating mananagawain na hindi mo maramdaman ang napakatamis na presensya naman ng Panginoon. Ibibigay sa atin sa atong ito. Hallelujah! Ang kanyang napakatamis na presensya. Bilang regalo niya sa ating maminamahal sa kanyang kamanganakan. Hallelujah! Itaas ninyo yung mga kamay. Purihin natin ang ating Panginoon. Worship the Lord.
I will sing this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is my King. Oh, I believe, and I will always sing this little child. He is the King.